If you're one of those videographers that swears by using a flat profile and you shoot most of your video content using one of those flat profiles, then getting one of these might be a good idea. This one is the Feelworld F6 Plus. It's a 5.5-inch monitor with LUT support and touchscreen. So I bought this because I was using flat profiles for pretty much everything. One of the reasons that I didn't enjoy using a flat profile that much is because you're monitoring that flat image on your camera display, and it's not the most inspirational thing to be looking at, and it also makes it somewhat difficult at times to nail correct focus and exposure. So using a monitor like this with LUT support means that you can take your correction LUT. So let's say you're using CineStyle. You put the correction LUT on an SD card and you put the SD card back in the monitor, and voila! You can now see the image in full contrast, full color and everything. You can even add a creative LUT if you have a specific final look for your video. You can frame and set your exposures and everything with that look already on your display. That makes it easier for some people to kind of get in the vibe, and you can also expose for shadows and highlight to better correlate with that final look you're going for. Another reason to consider getting an external monitor might be because you might be getting some additional tools that your camera currently don't have. Tools like focus peaking, false colors, zebras, waveforms. And focus peaking is probably the one I'm using the most on this one, especially on my Canon cameras. Focus peaking is basically like a color highlight that highlights everything in your image that are in focus. So that makes it super easy to nail critical focus if you're shooting wide open with a super shallow depth of field, that cinematic feeling. And another great tool that I use a lot is when I'm using a different aspect ratio than my camera currently supports. I sometimes shoot in 2:1 or 2:35:1 to get a wider cinematic look. And I could then overlay that crop on the display, and I can frame and compose my shot with that framing and that aspect ratio on my screen. That makes it so much easier in post, because then I don't have to resize and move around my footage and keyframe everything, because I've framed everything within that aspect ratio in camera already. Well, that's it, and if you have questions, then let me know below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!